You are going to love the 2020 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.